I want y'all to get in the practice of solving a major problem like this one step at a time. Because if you solve it one part at a time, then you'll be able to solve the whole thing. Okay?
Yeah.
And to answer your question from earlier, Carlos, the only reason why this looks stupid to a lot of kids is because they don't understand that this is just getting them practice of solving one problem at a time. Because, let's be real, how many problems are in the world right now?
Many.
A lot. And most of those problems need to be solved one at a time in order for you to solve an even bigger problem. Okay? This translates over to whatever y'all are doing, whether it be your job,
Solving cancer.
finance, a place to live, even trickling all the way down to what you want to wear tomorrow morning.
There's math.
Yes. You guys solve thousands of trillions of equations like on a weekly to monthly basis. You just don't realize it. All right? I don't want to say trillions. A couple thousands.
4,000 what?
Thousands of equations. All right? Let's do OR. Give me a second. Okay, so let me do number three. Number three is just one of your regular ORs right here. So we have -9. I'm gonna put X. I like putting X's for mine. You can put whatever variable you want. Y'all know this. So 9x plus 4 is less than or equal to 7x plus 4, or -x minus 3 is greater than 9 plus x. Okay? I made this, actually, if you really think about it, I made this pretty easy for y'all. Alright? Yeah, I made this easy for y'all because I'm giving you equations with variables on either side of the inequality so that you are able to just add or subtract these variables to the left side without you having to, you know what I'm saying? Flip it at the end. So let's subtract this 7x to the other side. Okay, that cancels out. What's -9x minus 7x? What's -9x minus 7x?
Positive.
No.
Negative. Oh yeah, negative plus negative. Right.
Same sign, sum.
50? No, 60.
Yes, -16
What?
plus 4 is less than or equal to a positive 4. I don't know why I wrote that plus. Okay? Obviously, -4, -4. Right? Sure. That cancels out. -16x is less than or equal to 0. Right? 0 divided by anything is what?
0.
0. What are we dividing onto the other side?
Negative, you gotta split it on
A
sign.
negative. -16. -16. Okay? We are dividing a negative to the other side.
X is greater than or.
So therefore, that sign flips. That sign flips.
So X is greater than or equal
So x is greater than or equal to
to 0.
0. Okay? Or let's subtract this x to the other side. Subtract this x to the other side.
Positive.
That cancels out.
No, negative.
Good job. Negative 2x minus 3 is greater than 9.
I know you subtract the, no, add the 3.
Add the 3. Good job. Well, we do on one side. We still do on the other, okay? Negative 2x.
12.
12. Divide. What kind of 2 are we dividing on the other side?
Negative.
Negative.
So that turns, so it's, you flip it?
We are dividing it negative to the other side. So it flips. Okay? So that cancels out. Therefore, x
6.
is less than, what kind of 6?
Negative 6.
A negative 6. Okay? X is less than a negative 6. Do I have enough room over on the side? Yes, I do. Okay, so how are we going to write this out? Well, let's look at this. I like to put my 0 in the center. Center-ish. Where's the negative 6 going to go?
On the left?
On the left-hand side. Okay? Negative 6.
I'm going to be going away from each other.
So, what kind of circle is over the 0?
A whole circle.
A hole. You're filled in, right? It's closed.
And then an open circle.
An open circle over the negative 6, right?
And then they point away from each other.
And this one is going which way?
Right.
To the right.
And to the left.
And the 6 is going this way. Okay? Good? All right. There is a special case of and that I would like to do with y'all.
Uh-oh. I don't like that.
Oh yeah.
I don't like that.
That doesn't sound good.
Mwahahaha. Okay, so here's one. This is an and, okay? This is and. Y'all might want to write this down. Okay?
I'm so dumb.
So and, you have another part of and is 3x minus 10 is less than or equal to 4 plus 5x, which is less than 4x plus 3. Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
You write this in our notes?
That's number 1. Yeah, you might want to write this down in your notes, because a couple of y'all have this on your separate sheet, your other sheets, okay? And I don't know, like this thing regenerates for me. So I don't know if you will have a question like this on your quiz. But just in case you do, know how to solve it, all right? Matter of fact, I guarantee you, a couple of y'all might have a question like this on your quiz, okay? A couple of y'all might not. So, looking at this, okay? If you're looking at this part right here is the one that you keep, okay? This part right here is the one that you keep, the one in the center, okay? So, what we're going to do, we are going to separate it, okay? You're going to separate it. What do I mean by that? Well, you rewrite this out. 3x minus 10 is less than or equal to 4 plus 5x. And 4 plus 5x is less than 4x plus 3. Okay?
Oh, we're just.
I'm scared.
It's easy. All you do, so the middle, right there, the middle, you just add it to both sides.
Oh.
All right?
That's all you
If
do.
you see 4x plus 5, 4x plus 5, I just split it up and I put an and in between it,
We just
okay?
solve it.
That's all I did, okay? So now, I solve it, okay? Subtract the 5x to the other side. Subtract it to the other side. Let me just go through this fast. Of course, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna add this 10 to the other side, add the 10. That cancels out, that cancels out. Therefore, what do you have? A negative 2x is less than or equal to 14, okay? What are we dividing on both sides?
Negative.
A negative, what kind of 2?
Negative.
A negative, okay?
X equals negative 7.
So therefore, it switches, it flips, okay?
It's greater than or equal
So therefore, x
to greater than.
is greater than or equal to a negative 7, okay? Let's go to this one over here. We're doing the same exact thing. Subtract the 4x, subtract the 4x. Boom. Okay? Subtract this 4, subtract this 4. Boom. Okay? 5 minus 4,
X.
that's x, is less than
Negative 1.
negative 1. Okay? And. Okay? X is greater than or equal to negative 7, and x is less than negative 1. How are we going to write that? Well, since both of these are negatives, I'm gonna just scoop my 0 over right here, okay? Because we all know that the negatives are gonna be on this side of the 0. So I'm gonna put negative 1 right here. I'm gonna put my negative 7 right here, okay? What kind of circle is over the negative 1?
Open.
Open. Litchfield.
Yes,
What kind of circle is over the negative 7?
close.
My man. Where do they meet? In the middle. Okay? This is how you solve one of those ands, okay? A couple of y'all might have these types on your papers, okay? A couple of y'all might have them.
I don't have
So just take your time with it. And if you don't have it on your sheet of paper, I will be putting this on Google Classroom tonight, so that I'm probably gonna be putting 2 up here. Most likely I'm gonna be putting both of these up there. This is the one that we all did together, and this is one that has number 2 up here has an and like this one, and some ors and some regular ands. So you'll be able to practice more. Okay. All right. That's my lesson.
Good night.